we are a professional engaged in high-level, intelligent equipment custom R&D. The overall integration of factory automation and industrial robot system application of modern science and technology enterprises. Frand mainly covers the new energy, auto parts, precision electronic appliances, hardware lock. BYD, Norma are our customers. We have a lot of experience in making assembly machines and equipments that not only run stably but also produce efficiently. Produce area, hose clamp, door lock, auto parts. Pre-produce meeting. CEO. Frand family. If you want to buy machine to upgrade your factory, please contact us.